Endless days, never night, duller mist, the sound of snipe. After midnight, when dusk blends into the dawning day, 2 a.m, crimson skies last forever. Magic silver, pink clouds merge together, the constant chorus and inner callings of island life.
In winter, then the nights are really dark at 2 o'clock, 3:30 at the latest, then it's pitch black. But it's really nice when the simmer dim and the light nights are coming on the way though.
Yes, we get lots of daylight, but the light is just so beautiful here. And I think it just makes people feel so happy and delighted to be outdoors and enjoy being in this amazing place we stay.
I'd never even heard the word simmer dim before. It's midsummer or it's the solstice. So here with simmer dim, it has its own identity. It's a time when there is no time, it's just constant.
Hush, quietness, an hour of stolen silence, time to rest, surrounded with everlasting light. Field attempts to close tired eyes. Sleep is hard to come by. I swear it's the sound of the grass that grows keeping me awake.
And you see life just bursting in Shetland again. There's so much going on. The fluers are coming up, the girse is growing, there's lambs everywhere, and you just get freedom.
You can't explain it. That spectrum from the darkness and that winter and the wildness and into the summer and the light.
But it just makes you feel so much happier knowing that things are growing, and just an exciting time of the year and something that we all look forward to.
Even if you go out into the street, there's people just having fun and you see a lot of kids playing. And it's really nice to see that because all the community comes together.
Back home, it is the bright nights, but still there is a chance to see the stars. Whereas up here, you watch the dusk and the dawn just blend together.
Summer visitors migrate, returning every year. There's work to be done. Every day it shows. A floral bloom, fat little lambs, a flurry of activity to stock up, soak it all in, make the most of the sun before the darkness comes. It's simmer dim.